Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about a solution that every parent can appreciate: the Cicico Refrigerator Lock for children. If you're tired of your little ones getting into the fridge and causing chaos, this might just be the answer you've been looking for. Stick around as we dive into the features and benefits of this handy fridge lock. Let's start with the function of this fridge lock. It's designed to protect items in your refrigerator, especially those sensitive items like prescription drugs and restricted items. We all know how curious and adventurous kids can be, and this lock is here to keep them from getting into trouble. Worried about complicated installation? Don't be. The Cicico Refrigerator Lock is a breeze to install. No drilling or screws required, simply peel off the backing and stick it on. And the best part? It won't damage your furniture, and it won't leave any residue behind when you decide to remove it. The adhesive used in this lock is seriously strong. In fact, it's been improved to last 5 times longer than the norm. You can trust that this lock will stay in place and do its job effectively. Now, let's hear a personal story from the founder of this product. As a mother herself, she faced the challenge of a mischievous child who would wake up early and create chaos in the kitchen. That's when she discovered this fridge lock and realized how fantastic it was at keeping her child out of trouble. She's recommending it to all parents who want to protect their little ones and maintain some order in the kitchen. So where can you use this fridge lock? Well, it's not limited to just the refrigerator door. You can use it on cabinets, drawers, medical supplies, and even toilet seats, wherever you need that extra layer of protection. A quick tip for you: make sure to clean the surface before applying the adhesive. And if you ever need to remove it, a little bit of gasoline can help dissolve the glue without leaving any residue. Rest assured, the Cicico Refrigerator Lock comes with a forever 100% satisfaction guarantee. And if you have any questions, their customer support is ready to assist you within 24 hours. And there you have it, a closer look at the Cicico Refrigerator Lock for children. Keeping your kitchen organized and your kids safe has never been easier. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews of innovative products. Stay tuned for our next episode, and remember, a little lock can make a big difference in your daily life.